there is an island that I consider a hidden gem, nestled in the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean. A place where towering mountains collide with the untamed might of the ocean, forging a captivating landscape of rugged beauty and untamed wilderness. This island is called Gran Canaria. Here, the mountains stand tall, while the wild ocean crashes against the cliffs. This is a land where nature's contrasting forces intertwine, evoking a sense of awe and embracing the spirit of the wilderness. Gran Canaria is a canvas where nature paints its most masterpiece. It is here, in this fusion of mountains and wild ocean, that the island reveals its unfiltered beauty. A beauty that demands admiration and respect. Gran Canaria is a testament to the raw collision of untamed mountains and a relentless ocean.